Summertime and this dressing is easy. Hey, I'm Fucci and welcome to Tiny Kitchen Big Taste. Summertime is here as of June 21st, 2019 at exactly 11:54 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. And to celebrate, we're dressing it up in the TK where all month long we've been featuring some of our most tasty homemade tiny kitchen salad dressings that you can mix up literally in just a couple of minutes. Dare I say, we have saved the best for last. Now, I love all the dressings this month, but this honey white balsamic vinaigrette is the one everyone talks about. A little sweet, a little tangy, so smooth. So let's get shaking, because it's time to bring it. Shake it up. So what you're gonna need is olive oil, white balsamic vinegar, honey, salt and pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and Dijon mustard. You'll also need a mixing jar, glass measuring cup, and measuring spoons. Now, I first started making this salad dressing for my pear, gorgonzola, and quinoa salad, and I love it so much that I've started using it in most every salad that I make. It is so versatile, so fast and easy. We start by combining 2 parts olive oil to 1 part white balsamic vinegar. Now, white balsamic vinegar is balsamic vinegar, but it's a little bit lighter, a little bit tangier than traditional balsamic, not as sweet, and it's only aged for about a year versus 12 or more years for traditional balsamic, but it makes this dressing. Next, we're gonna add some honey, some garlic powder, onion powder, and Dijon mustard. Finish it off with a little bit of salt and pepper. Put on our top, shake it up. Honey white balsamic vinaigrette. Hey, go get the recipe for this. It's available on our website. You can also check us out at Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest. And when you try this recipe, please let us know about it in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell. Until next time, I'm Fucci reminding you that if I can make a homemade honey white balsamic vinaigrette in a kitchen this tiny, you can make it in yours. We'll see you next time on Tiny Kitchen Big Taste. See ya. Summertime and this dressing is easy.
Yeah, beautiful.
All
All right.
right. Now let's see if I can do it.
Yeah.